We all have heard that clean code is the key, but is it really? The first thing we need to know is what clean code actually is. Well, clean code is code that is elegant, and some may even say that it's even beautiful in its own sense. Clean code should be easy to understand, be easy to update, be easy to debug, no duplication. Classes, methods, functions should be small and only have one responsibility. It should be easy to test. Tests should be easy to understand, correct comments, have the right format, and have error handling. So all in all, when you see clean code, you know that it's written by someone that cares. Alright, so now that we know what clean code is, I just want to say that implementing all these things is hard and it requires practice. Well, yeah, clean code isn't only good for you, but also if you work in a team. It's also good for your future self, cause how many times have you looked back at your old code and it looked like gibberish? So my conclusion is that you should learn clean code if you have the time or is planning to work with programming. But I still think it's okay to write a little bit messy code when you're in a hurry or if it's proof of concept, as long as you fix it later.